Gutom ka na ba? Gusto mo ng 5% off on your dining purchase? Watch till the end of the video. Are you looking for a place to study or work? Eat pastries and cakes? Chill? Chika with friends? O gusto mo lang tumulala? O kung gusto mo uminom ng napakaraming kape, dito yan sa Lonely Owl Premier. Let's start with the flat white coffee. Ang sarap niya kasi matapang pero creamy siya. Ang cute din ng owl sa ibabaw. And I love how they present their food. Ito naman ang kanyang creme brulee egg coffee. It's on the sweeter side dahil nga sa creme brulee na malalasahan mo talaga. Best to mix it well. And next is their fruit tea. Ang sarap niya kompleto. May pearl, may nata, may fruits inside. Super refreshing. Chicken baked rice. Akala ko super creamy at magiging nakakasawa yung flavor niya. But no, saktong-sakto lahat. I just wish nakakalat yung chicken para well distributed. Crispy enoki bites, one of my favorite. Super crunchy, can you hear that? At ito siya, ang sarap din ng dip nila. You must try this. Look, yum! Next is their char siu bao. Ang sarap niya, masarap yung bread. Tamang-tama lang. Ang kakapal ng meat at nagustuhan ko yung homemade pickles nila sa loob. Ito nga na in love ako. Isa pang kagat. Appreciation sa kanilang spoon and fork na napaka-cute. Let's try their Ovaltine French toast. It reminds me sa isang sikat na tinapay, di ba? Chocolatey, creamy, basta ang sarap niya. Eh, syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang truffle pasta with side salad. Unique, no? Salad ang side nila, hindi bread. So, it's a balance of fiber and carbohydrates na may protein. Perfect din sa vegetarians. Very good combination kasi tangy and citrusy yung kanilang salad and then earthy, umami-rich yung truffle pasta. And to avail 5%, use my code LOPLURA. Sana ang iyong next food trip ay sulit at masarap para dito sa Lonely Owl Premier, Quezon City. Bye!